Then point them towards the nose, and this one kind of towards the ear. And wiggle, wiggle down, down, wiggle, wiggle down, down, wiggle, wiggle down. And just wiggling on the lower lashes just seems to really coat it well. Some people do that on the upper lashes as well. Just when you wiggle it, just kind of gets on either side of the lash. Especially if it's a comb. One like this, just kind of a quick jiggle. I'm a little more precise for some reason. I guess because I really want to place my lashes, so I kind of bend them back where I want them. And then as that dries, because it's waterproof, when you put that second layer on, and especially if you are going out for the evening after your day, I do 3 coats. Usually I just do 2. Occasionally I will only do 1. But I almost always will come back and do 2. Again, get right at that root and kind of maybe wiggle it. I don't really wiggle a lot. And let's get that one towards the nose. And I'm kind of rolling the wand so that as it comes off, I'm kind of rolling it to get to the next spot on the wand that's got some fresh new. And I'm kind of bending back as I close my eyes so that this will go back a little bit. Since I've just bothered to curl them, I want to kind of push the lash back a little bit. There we go. And let's point that towards the nose, and that one towards the ear. Okay, so now I'm going to swirl it around in there again and do 1 more layer, and I will be done. I have no idea how many videos this is going to be. I would imagine 5 or 6. So I hope you enjoy all the parts. Some of you have told me you can't wait to get to the next one. It's almost like a video series, and you feel like you're accomplished when you get to the end of them. Other people say, could you just not time it better and do just 1 video? Like a 1 30-minute. And to be honest with you, this camera setting, I don't know how to change it, never have to do that. I'm sure it's a camera setting and not so much the card. Again, I'm going to just tip those ends. Make sure I got them good. And that's really, to me, that's good enough for just every day. Tip the ends 1 more time. And come back through. From the back base to the end of the lash. When you tip the ends, when you are going from the base to the end of the lash, it meets at the end and kind of completes it. And I can't tell you how many times I've looked at a girl from the side and seen her mascara was on, but the tip ends of her lashes had nothing on. You could see the little naked tip ends. And maybe they did that on purpose so they'd look more natural. I don't know. That might be a technique, I guess. Again, getting right at the base and getting that base real good. And that also kind of blackens the skin under there. And I'm just using this tip end to kind of hit the ends of these and kind of place them where I want them. And I'm done. And that is the end look. So this is my end look. And you could get a brush and blend it out a little bit more. One of the things they didn't say to do, which I am going to do, is set my makeup now. Because remember we set it before? This is the Flower Seal the Deal. And I really do like this, y'all. I'm going into it. It's water-based, which is why while I am leaning forward, since there's a flame back there, you really shouldn't shake well. It doesn't say distance yourself from a flame, but I still feel like whatever's in this could be flammable, even though it's almost all water. And this one is too, and it's not aerosol. So, pretty positive it does not say that. It says protect from temperatures, but not flame. That's interesting. Anyway. So that's the look, y'all. I have no idea where we are. Where are my glasses? Did y'all enjoy all this? I just had a great time putting on my makeup today. To me, it's artistic. Where are we? 29. So we ran over into, I guess, what would be a part 3 of this one. But I think there's actually more than that. This is probably like part 6. So, in my next video, one of the things that I wanted to try, this is a little bit of a haul also, is the CoverGirl Clean Fresh Skin Milk. And I've seen this on commercials and I just want to try it. I got it in color light medium 550 and I can't wait to try this tomorrow. I mean, I would love to have, especially in the summer when you kind of feel hot, even though one of the things I love about this is because it almost feels, it's a smooth effect makeup and almost feels like as it dries, it's a powder, especially if you put this on with your hands, which everybody always says you really should anyway. It emulsifies.